Do you have too much Notion pages on your workspace and you are looking to integrate them all together? That is actually possible by linking to a page, but by doing that, you will get this hideous arrow looking icon, which I absolutely do not like seeing. If you are looking to find a way to integrate your pages together and also keep them aesthetically pleasing, be sure to continue watching the video because we are going to introduce to you navigation bars. Hi, my name is Notion with Zon, and I post tips and tricks Notion videos to help beginners and experts better understand Notion. If you would enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button to be in a constant loop of my latest tips and tricks. Without further ado, let's begin with today's video. To create a navigation bar, you first have to create a sync block. If you are unsure on what a sync block is, I've created a quick guide on sync blocks to help you better understand it. Okay, so back to creating a navigation bar. Once you've created a sync block, all you have to do next is to create the pages within the sync block. What this would do is that any pages with the sync block pasted will then have access to the other pages as well. So there you have it, a quick guide on how you can create your very own navigation bar. I would love to hear how you will be using this new find, so do comment down below on how you plan to use it. If you've enjoyed my content, do consider hitting the subscribe button to follow more of my content relating to Notion, where we post about tips and tricks and perhaps template walkthroughs. Till then, see ya!